Hey, I'm Patrick, and what we have here is the new Napalm Brands Grenade. It's a double XL infused pre-roll. Now this is 7 grams of flour and a gram of wax. That's in one pre-roll. 7 grams of flour, 1 gram of wax. This is from Xzibit. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. It is a grenade. It's a life-size World War II style grenade made of glass. Look at that. It's got a pen and everything. Now, it's a lot safer than an actual grenade, I think. Let's see what we have here. Holy moly. There it is. This is a joint.